changing my suspension on my snowmobile again. The old suspension, all it is a metal rod and like a thing. It's junk, complete and utter junk. So, this is the skeeride suspension. It's pretty much the exact same. It's the exact same setup as the skeeride suspension, except this I had to shorten so then it would fit my sled right here. And I also wanted to change the track because the track on that just kept slipping. So I'm gonna put the skeeride sprockets on it and then the skeeride track. So then it should be able to get more traction and everything. Done with it now. Finished printing the track. I believe it's 34 pieces. All I have to do now is put these and bend them in with a lighter. And then I might cut out the back of this because it hits when the suspension goes down, so I'll cut out a chunk right there. That's about it. Just waiting on snow.